grow views, but it's all about how to make sure you grow tech, grow influence fast, so that you get the influence that you deserve.
My name is Jerome.
Then my name is Estelle.
Yeah, so we are from the 𝘖𝙈𝙈𝙾𝙀 Youth Executive Committee.
It's through like a group of friends. They will spread our YC, so that's how we know about it.
So we felt the learning circle was really engaging, right? So we didn't expect much actually when we first came in, because we understood it was only about 4 to 5 hours. So we felt, what actually can we learn from this workshop, right? But actually when we went in, it was astounding. We really felt that it was jam-packed with a lot of information and very useful tools that can really help us to grow our page, right? Which is the Youth Executive Committee. Yeah, so we actually learned things like tools such as like video tools as well as imaging tools, as well as even like podcasting. So these are the various channels and mediums that we can utilize to promote our page as well as to reach out to the target segments. So definitely these are avenues that we have learned from this learning circle, and these are things that we're excited to implement within our Youth Executive Committee.
Common space is like a space where like different ages and after that different people can come together and after you can share ideas and have workshops like this. Which I think is very useful because you will make it's a place where you can integrate interesting people together.
For more updates on AMPx, follow us on social media and join our mailing list.